that little amber light. It comes on, tells you nothing, and hands you 3 options. Drive to a shop and pay just to hear what it means. Buy a Bluetooth dongle, install an app, and discover the useful features live behind a subscription. Or ignore it. And let a loose gas cap and a dying catalytic converter look exactly the same. Here's option 4, the iCarzone MA100. Plug it in, and the light starts talking. The box holds exactly 2 things: the MA100 with its OBD2 cable built in, and a manual. That's the entire setup because there is no setup, no app to install, no Bluetooth to pair, no account to create. It doesn't want your phone, your email, or your credit card. Plug it into the OBD2 port, and it powers itself on straight from the car. A 2.4-inch display, physical buttons, under 160 grams. It lives in the glove box, and it's ready before your seatbelt clicks. Plug in, and the reading starts. And here's where the MA100 outrates tools twice its price. It pulls the generic codes everyone gets, P0, P2, U0. But it also reads manufacturer-specific codes, P1 and U1, the ones that make cheap readers shrug. It shows pending codes before they harden into faults, and permanent codes that only real repairs can clear. Then the part owners love most, a built-in code library. Select any code and the explanation appears right on the screen. No phone, no signal, no forum diving in a parking garage. It even pulls the VIN and calibration IDs, so you know exactly what you're working on. Knowing the code is half the story. Knowing the scene of the crime is the other half. Freeze frame recalls the exact snapshot from the moment the fault set. Engine speed, temperature, load. So you diagnose the cause, not just the symptom. Watch live readings, make the fix, and then, only then, clear the code and watch the light go dark. The MA100 makes the right order easy. Diagnose, repair, clear. Not the other way around. Now the feature that quietly pays for the tool. One press I/M Readiness. Before an emissions inspection, the MA100 shows you every monitor, ready or not ready, so you never hand over an inspection fee for a car that was going to fail. Add O2 sensor tests, EVAP system checks, and onboard monitor results, and the whole emissions side of your car stops being a mystery guarded by a testing station. There's a bonus sentry on board too. Live battery and charging voltage, right on the screen, every time you plug in. It's not a laboratory battery test. Our MA500 and MA900 do that job, but it's the glance that catches a battery drifting toward failure weeks before the click, click, click morning. A free early warning every time you read a code. Compatibility in 1 sentence. If it speaks OBD2, the MA100 speaks its language. 5 protocols, CAN, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and both J1850 flavors, covering American and Asian cars from 1996, European petrol from 2001, European diesel from 2004, over 10,000 models, 58 plus brands, and the interface runs in English, Spanish, German, French, and Italian. Remember that subscription pop-up from the beginning. Here's our answer to it. The MA100 updates over USB with the official PC tool, and every update is free for life. Expanded coverage, better performance, new functions, no annual fee, no unlocked tiers. From this little reader to our flagship tablets, it's the same one-line promise. Pay once, upgrade forever. The honest map of where it sits. The MA100 covers engine and emissions. It does not touch ABS, airbags, or the transmission, and there's no bi-directional control here. When you outgrow it, the family has your next step. The MA900 adds professional battery testing, and the MA200 series brings full system access with bi-directional control. But for the question everyone actually asks, why is that light on? This answers it with a 1-year warranty, lifetime updates, and lifetime support. That's the iCarzone MA100, and the check engine light never mumbles again. Link and full specs below. If you just earned a spot in your glove box, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone.